Hi everyone, welcome today on Monday, August the 3rd, 2020. We have here in the daily newspaper only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and this Sudoku is number 1273. It's today a warm day, so it will be a warm Sudoku medium. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers in the Sudokus so I can compare the difficult level with the extra Sudokus in additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. So let me count 1, 2, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 4 is 14 plus 3 is 17 plus 3 is 20, 21. This is 5 plus 5 will be 26. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started with this warm medium Sudoku. It's a warm day, yes. Alright. Let me see, which number can I use? We have here a 4 in this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then we have in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. Then a 4 in the first column, a 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, digit number 1. Alright. And now, how about the number 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Let me see. A 2 in this row, a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then in this row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. So we have a 3 and a 6 in this big square. So no 3 and a 6 in those two boxes. So the 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. That means the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. And I think the 8 should be here, because in this column I cannot place an 8 in one of these three boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So I need an 8 in this big square. So the 8 should be there. Cannot be here, because I need an 8 also in this row. So the 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this row, so no 9 and a 7 in this box. So the 9 and the 7 goes in these two boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright, we have a 2 there. That means in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this column, and the 5 is missing in this column. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, I cannot fill this yet, but I mark them because those are pairs. How about the 1 is missing here also, and the 3 is missing here. Well, in this row we have 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 6 and the 3 are missing. 6 and the 3 I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and 3. That means these 3 numbers in this middle row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. I see here 5, so this box cannot be 5. Here 5 or there 5. 1, 5, and 8. Yes, 8 could be everywhere. Alright. So we have in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. So we have in the first row the 1 and the 9. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 and a 9. So 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 9 should be here and there. The other 2 numbers should be the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. So we have a 1 in this column. And I believe the 1 should be in one of these 3. So in this box cannot be a 1. We have a 9 in this column. A 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. and then yeah, and then yeah, these two numbers, missing numbers in the first row, are the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, this should be the 9. Then that means these two boxes cannot be a 9. These two boxes should be a 9. Let me mark them. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. Second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left in the third column. Should be the number 1. Then can I do something with the 5, 5, the 1, the 4, the 8? No. How about 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. These 2 boxes could be a 1. The 8 is also missing in this big square. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. That means the other number in this big square, the number 5, no 5 we have. The 6 should be here. Yeah, the 6 should be there. Also a pair. A pair, a pair, a pair, a pair. 6 and 1, that means in this column, 1 box left, should be the number 8. No, 8 we have. 1, the 2 is missing, yeah. The 2 is missing. I have marked these 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. It's a pair. A lot of pairs. A lot of pairs. Yes. So we have a 2 in this column. A 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. These 3 numbers should be the 3, the 6, and the 7. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. No. The 7, yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. That means 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 3 and the 6 are left. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now I have a 3 there. So this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. Now I have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 1. Now I have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be the 8. Now I have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 3. We have a 6 here. That means this box cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 1. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be the 9. Then 2 boxes left. In the last row for the numbers 1 and 8, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 6. And this should be the 8. 1 box left. In this column should be the number 3. And this should be the 6. 1 box left. In the middle column should be the number 3. 3 is missing. And the final two numbers of this big square, the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this. Warm, medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like, only if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I see you later with the extra Sudokus in additional. Thank you, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now.